lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 8th to February the 14th bonus, alright? Bonus reading ito. Meron na pong February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Nandun po siya sa playlist. So if you want to check that out, nandun po siya, no? Nakapost na po. So hindi po siya late. Yan, update po ito. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell para po sa mga gusto pong ng dalawang reading sa akin. Nagre-release din po tayo doon ng bagong videos. Actually, meron pong post doon February the 8th to February the 14th reading, no? At doon din po tayo nagla-live, so pwede kayong sumali. And you're very much welcome to do so. So, Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with just a bits and pieces, no? So, take what's only yours. Aquarius. So, ang nakikita natin dito, Aquarius, parang merong gusto natin ng bagong simula, no? Pwedeng we failed before, pero this time susubukan ko uli. And this time medyo iba na yung gagawin ko, no? There might be some learnings in here. Now, this applies to romance. This may also applies to family, no? This may also applies to finances, to whichever aspect of your life. Kasi ang sabi natin dito, kung ano man yung mga pinagdaanan ko noon, no? I'll make sure na ito, siguro babaguhin ko na yung attitude ko towards my my goal. Pwedeng babaguhin ko na rin itong mga steps, no? Not totally like starting from the scratch. Pwede rin naman. Pero most of you are siguro babawasan ko yung ganito, dadagdagan ko yung ganyan, no? And I will make sure na I'll put my effort and time, energy, no? Siguro now this time 100 to 100% I will be focused. Ang maganda naman kasi dito, it was inspired action. So hindi siya yung parang nag-fail ako, tapos uulitin ko kasi para lang mapunad, no, itong pagkukulang nung nakaraan. When it comes to family relationship, let's say nagkaroon ng hidwaan, no, for the sake of yung walang healing process, gagawin lang, hindi ka ganon. I think that this time what you're trying to do here is making amends. Alam mo yung pagkakamali mo, alam mo yung pagkakamali nung sa kabila, at alam din niya dapat. And you're meeting halfway, no? Para hindi na uli ito mangyari in the future. Kung sa trabaho naman ito, I feel like siguro na medyo either na-suspend, na-endo, no? Or probably lumipat ng trabaho, and then it felt like, uy, sana pala hindi ako lumipat, no? Parang nakapagsisi pa. Ngayon, ang gagawin mo dito is, chances are, with this new job, no, instead na mag-focus ako dito sa mga problems, no, pagbubutihin ko siya. Siguro, ganun din, I'll be placing my 100%, time, energy, effort, nakafocus lang sa goal, no. Finances, ganun din. Siguro, dati, no, magastos. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi ka magiging magastos kasi you're still the queen of wands, no? The Queen of Wands represent yung ito yung ano ha, yung action. Hindi siya representing of genders, no? So, kay lalaki, kay babae, the action per se, no, are the Queen of Wands, which is yung parang nandun pa rin naman yung pagiging yung pagbili-bili. Pero usually, now this time, because the King of Pentacles in here, to balance things out, medyo we are saving some money. Now, when it comes to the relationship, so I feel like you've learned your lesson. Medyo sabihin natin, oo nga, sumobra ako, no, with the Queen of Pentacles. Either sumobra ako ng pagtalak, sumobra ako ng pagbibigay ng pagmamahal, sumobra ako ng um, paghigpit, no? These are all learning curves for you. Kaya ako sinabing with inspired action. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito is with the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, like what I mentioned, balance things out. Kasi reciprocative naman itong energy, no? So, kumbaga kung ano yung binibigay mo, yun din yung ibinibigay niya. Kaya parang ginaganahan tayo na, ito pala ang dapat. Parang they are somewhat mirroring our energy, no? So, with the Ten of Swords, let's check kung bakit nandiyan yung Ten of Swords. Pero, daanan muna natin ito. No? Happyawan muna natin with the Hierophant, the Five of Pentacles. Siguro matigas din ang ulo natin before. Hindi tayo tumatanggap ng suggestions. Pwedeng feeling natin tayo laging tama. That was then, no? And I think that you are evolving into something or someone, no, very different from who you were, no, kasi lahat naman din siguro din ng tao nag-evolve, no, even yung pananaw sa buhay, no, kung dating konting kibot, hala, post, mga away sa Facebook, so ngayon parang napagtanto-tanto mo ay unang-una kung gagawin ko uli yung mga dati kong ginagawa, like yung pag-post ng mga hates, no? Natural lang sa tao na minsan nagagalit tayo. Hindi ko sinasabing dapat laging masaya. No. Part ng tao ang nag-aano din, naiinis, nagagalit. No? Pero ngayon, ang ginagawa mo dito, ano nga bang makukuha ko sa pagpo-post? Pangalawa, ang una, mas lalong lalala ang sitwasyon. Pangalawa, mapag-uusapan ng mga taong hindi naman dapat involved. Pangatlo, magkakaroon ng paksyon. Baka kasi ganito, baka kasi ganyan, no? Kanya-kanyang side. Lalong lalala. Pang-apat, hindi naman siya mariresolve, no? Ng pag-post-post ng ganyan. It's much better kausapin yung tao, no? Ng rekta. Panglima, baka mamaya malala ang pinost natin, no? Na barangay pa tayo, worst, nakasuhan pa tayo. So ngayon ang ginagawa mo dito is more of you're maturing, 'di ba? With the Queen of Pentacles and the Star. And I believe that a lot of people are seeing your changes, seeing how focused you are, how driven you are. Um ang goal mo dito is to win. That's basically it with the Star. And I think that this energy are also giving you, or about to give you. Hindi pa man, pero dadating din yung panahon very soon to give you the Star, placing you in a pedestal, no? Kung sa trabaho, ito yung tinatawag nating regularization, kung contractual, promotions, incentives, especially when the Star, kaya nga siya Star, no? The spotlight is on you. So parang, hindi ka lang nagbida-bida. Ikaw talaga ang bida, no? Doon. So, ibig sabihin, isa kang asset, no? Doon sa ating, asset ha, hindi asshole. Isa kang asset doon sa ating ginagalawang trabaho, no? When it comes to family, they also see the changes in you. Siguro black sheep tayo before. The black sheep still there. Kasi sabi nila pag black sheep masama, no? Pero chances are, kung sino yung black sheep, when kapag habang tumatagal, lalo bumabait eh. I don't know, for some reason, I think that is a, how to call this? That's that's human nature, no? Yung dating mga tahimik, baka sila pa ito ngayong malala. Kasi napagdaanan na yun na lahat, na nanawa na yan sa buhay ng magulo. So, inaayos na nila yung kanilang sarili. Mostly, hindi ko sinasabing lahat, mostly. Good, kung maayos ka ng bata, lumaki kang maayos ng ano, di good for you. Good job, no? Naway maging santo tayo pag ganun. Just kidding. With the King of Pentacles, kasi binibigay din naman. So, reciprocative. Kung sa trabaho ito, tama naman din na somehow yung binibigay, no? Kung maganda ang ginagawa mo and you're doing things above and beyond, di meron kang mga incentives, no? And if you're doing things the right way, no? And your potential for promotion, and I believe that gagawin din naman yon, no? Nakikita ni person ng energy na ito. It may be an event, it may be a specific person na ay pinagbubutihan niya. Kaya bakit hindi ko pagbubutihan, 'di ba? With the Princess of Swords. So this is signing off a contract. No, it's a win-win situation because this might be something that you probably wished for, asked for, dream of, manifested. So, sa relationship, kung situationship ito, relationship-wise, magiging item na kayo, or, magiging official, magjowa, no? Kung magjowa na, leading into, no, pwedeng cohabitation or living together. Proposal, no? Depende yan sa budget din, or tatalo na agad sa marriage, no? Kung married naman, baka magkaroon na ng anak. So kung may anak naman na, no, baka madagdagan or either maglilipat ng bahay. There is something to elevate the star. But what's with the Ten of Swords? So parang ito yung parang sinasabi nating pinaka recent future, or not so distant future. There you go. The Ten of Swords with the Eight of Cups. So challenges lang dito, merong mapapabayaan na siguro emotion, may mapapabayaan na isang part, no? But it doesn't necessarily mean na hindi ito magtutuloy-tuloy. The thing here is, walang perfecto, walang perpektong relasyon, 'di ba? Sa trabaho, nagkakaroon talaga din ng initan ng ulo, but the main goal here is to keep the project, the company, no, yung sustainability, the resilience itself, no, and for the betterment, no, ng organization. When it comes to the sa bahay, no, kahit naman magkadugo yan, usually sila pa nga yung laging nagkakagirian. Now, the reason being is because may mga paksyon din naman talaga, no? Siguro mas nakakatakot dito ang isang relasyon na walang nangyayari. Either both of you are faking it, or someone is lying, di ba? If it's too good to be true, or someone is dead, di ba? I mean, hindi ko sinasabing hindi posible, pero in a normal setup, mga baka, anong meron, 'di ba? Kahit papaano meron at meron, no, nasusulpot. And that's part of the challenges. Ang nangyayari lang dito, siguro this is the now that you are feeling as of the moment, na parang kino-compare ko ngayon kung ano yung situation ko ngayon kaysa nung mga nakaraan. Hindi siya ganun, malayong malayo, and I feel like I'm down, dinamdam natin masyado. With the Hanged Woman, ito yung parang Sinasabi natin, I'm not sure now kung masaya pa ba ako dito sa relationship, no? Tama ba mga decision making ko? So, nag-self-pity na tayo. With the Hermit, ito yung sinasabing lawakan natin ang isip natin, no? We may probably mature, but we can be more maturer, if there's a word. There's something better, no? Nagawa mo ngang e-expand, no? Yung sarili mo, how much more, kumbaga, test yourself, how much more you can stretch yourself, 'di ba? With the Hermit in here, there's something more that you can do to make yourself a little better. Hindi ko na sinasabing ikaw ang may kasalanan. Things happen because there's something needs to learn from it. With the Seven of Swords, siguro ngayon medyo negative itong mga nararamdaman natin. Hindi ko sinasabing normal ang magkaroon ng negative. Somehow, napupunta tayo sa isang hindi masayang sitwasyon. Okay? Challenges are part of our life. Kumbaga meron tayong specific destination or goal. So part of yung dadaanan sa buhay are challenges. It may be a stopover from the goal, from the destination. So pag sinabing stopover, hinto lang ng konti, aayusin, dadaanan, let's say, nagta-travel ka nga, na-flatan ka, so hihinto ka, no? Ayusin, palitan yung flat tire, and then move forward. Ang kalimitan kasi dito sa Aquarius, hindi ko alam kung may pagkamasokista minsan, no? Kapag dumating siya dun sa mga challenging part, hala, ginawang bakasyonan. Nagtagal. Hindi ko sinasabing dapat hindi yan inaasikaso, dapat hindi yan pinagtutuunan ng pansin. In fact, no, dapat nga pinagtutuunan niya ng pansin. Pero instead of mag-focus tayo dun sa problema, humanap tayo ng solutions, di ba? Kasi usually when it comes pain and challenges are actually part of life. And that is not a destination, no? That is not the vacation place, that's not the goal, but it might be a part of yung sabihin nating past, no? Hindi pa yan yung bakasyonan. Hindi pa yan yung pupuntahan, no? Especially pain are also emotion kasi usually, people run from pain. Tulad nga sinabi ko sa Pisces reading, kung pain ito, ay kung tinatakbuhan mo yan, naghahabulan lang kayo, di ba? So, pain is an emotion and emotion should be felt. Okay lang, no? Na nandun ka sa painful situation, probably there's a process, pero wag kang manatili doon ng sumayang yung panahon. And then you're gonna realize na, ay, sandali. Sana pala noon ko pa ginawa, no? To brush myself off and move forward in life. Kasi with the Seven of Swords, this is somehow your mind is tricking you. Probably because of your overthinking of things. Oh, hindi pa ito. Sorry. And the Princess of Wands. So, ito na yung kunin natin. No. Kasi, no, not now. Hindi. Ano natin, shuffle. With the Princess of Wands, there is a lot of solutions, no? It may be a test, it may be some challenges, but with the Justice madami kang pwedeng pagkunan ng mga solutions. It may be from the book, movies, stories of other people who probably experience, no, the same situation. But with the Justice, or probably kaya ka nandito nanonood ng tarot reading, it's because of your want some clarity or probably an answer with the Justice. So dadating na aayos din uli ang lahat. The Justice card and the Five of Cups. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na baka naman bigla mong maisip, ay sayang yung moment na binigay ko dun sa nagmukbok ako. Kasi ang habang panahon, no, wala namang right amount of time. Wala naman din. Alam mo yun, pero alam mo na nasayang. So with the Ten of Cups, Ten of Cups is a destination and this is your foreseeable outcome, which is nakikita natin na napaka-loving, strong, um, it could be consistent but firm, no? With strong foundations. So, ito yung end game, kasal, no? Ito yung end game, family. Ito yung end game. It can also be, since this is general, if this is yung abundance, then this is abundant. With the high priestess, you know that this is going to happen. But with the high priestess in here, yung totoong high priestess na depiction, no? Makikita mo nakaupo talaga dito si high priestess and there are two pillars in here, the J and B or B and J. That represents the negative and the positive, no? The balance. And I think that somehow, as of the moment, you are being nababalot tayo ng mga ng mga negative perceptions probably. Or probably we might be in a situation na talagang nagse-self-pity tayo, no? This is not the end. And I am seeing that very, very soon, magkakaroon ng solution. Kasi ang ganda ng nasimulan eh. Ang ganda ng nasimulan. Tuloy-tuloy, no? Magtutuloy-tuloy ang destination, magtutuloy-tuloy ang biyahe patungo doon sa iyong pangarap, no? So let's get some more cards here. Gusto ko lang po ipaalala na sa kabilang channel, no, doon tayo nagla-live. So, pwede kayo magtanong doon. And kung hindi nyo po maabutan sa Babaylan TV, no, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Okay? Ngayon po, kung hindi po kayo makakatulog sa yes or no na sagot, no, di dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating live sessions. I mean, sa ating website. Ayan. Sa website po, nandun po ang ating question form. Nandun po ang name, amount per question, number, QR code. Ayan. That's for your reference. And if you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Let's get one card here para kay person mo. Kung ano yung sinasabi or nararamdaman ni person. Our love will never cease to exist. So, it only means that this is a relationship na pangmatagalan. This is not a relationship na pwede mong itapon, no? Na pag-ayaw-ayaw na. And this is also the feelings of your person na hindi porket nagkaroon tayo ng problema, ibig sabihin tapos na yon. Hindi porket meron tayong challenges, ibig sabihin nun, end na yon. No? That's why we are partners. The King and Queen of Pentacles are here. Humuhugot ako sa iyo ng lakas, humuhugot ka sa akin ng lakas, no? And sa iyo rin ako humuhugot ng inspiration. And I hope, no, that these challenges becomes an inspiration na para sa inyong dalawa to become a better person, no? Let's get a message from the universe. You are so much closer to a powerful breakthrough than you may realize. You have been praying for things to heal, new opportunities to appear, relationships to improve, and these prayers will be answered soon. This is a promise from the universe na ang lapit-lapit mo na eh. Alam niyo yung kwento ng nagmimina, no? So, hukay siya ng hukay ng ginto or diamond, no? Konting-konti na lang eh. Nawalan pa siya ng pag-asa. Umalis. May bagong tao ngayon, no? Na, meron ditong opening. Pagpatuloy ko nga yung ginagawa nito. Konti lang yung ginawa niya. Siya pa naka-jackpot, no? I'm seeing that you are very, very close talaga, no? Dito sa mga pangarap natin. And baka nga mas sandali na lang, no? Itong gap. New opportunities may also appear. Pwede mag-abroad, no? or mas magandang place dun sa iyong pinapangarap na bahay. Um, mas bongga, 'no? Hindi naman laging kailangan na dapat bongga ang kasal. Pero, this is a once in a lifetime. People may like it, people may not. I do not have a problem to, kung paano niyo i-spend yung kasal ninyo as long as sana hindi ito um, nakapagpadagdag ng stress, no? After ng kasal. What I'm trying to say here is parehas lang din naman yan ng basbas, no? Magarbo, hindi, at the end of the day, pumirma kayo ng kontrata and kasal kayo. Wala naman sinabing dahil mahal ang nagastos mo, mas advanced, no, ang kasal mo. Ang sinasabi ko lang is, kung parehas lang din naman yan, as long as kaya ng budget, go for it. Kasi yung iba, hindi ko sinasabing mali, if that works for you, that works for you. Pero yung iba kasi, umutang, and then, nagpakasal. Pagkatapos ng kasal, ayun, problema agad. Paano natin babayarin si utang? Instead na sana after kasal nag-honeymoon, baka after kasal, no? After ng reception, ayun, pumasok na dahil kailangan magbayad ng utang. Whatever it is that you prayed for are being answered already. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person or people involved. Now, these can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pisces, Leo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, pwedeng kapwa Aquarius, no? Capricorn. So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.